Building a home in Austin, take 2. I love helping my clients purchase their first home, and something that's been really rewarding for me is now watching them graduate from their first home and wanting to take the challenge of building in Austin. Now, building in Austin certainly has its challenges. Compared to most cities, the permitting process can take a while. It's super important that you connect with an architect and a builder that you feel comfortable working with, that has the capacity for your project and is within your budget. Speaking of budget, that's where you first want to begin. Financing a new build is a little bit trickier, and there's a little bit more to know than a traditional home loan or home resale loan, right? So you're gonna start with finding a builder. If you don't already have the land purchased, it's better if you own the land for at least 6 months, but if not, then you wanna focus on your land purchase while you are interviewing builders and narrowing down who you want to use. Pro tip, if you already have a builder who has a floor plan that you're in love with, it is going to be a little bit less stressful to build that same floor plan for you. Oftentimes, building a home can be a very stressful task, but it's also very rewarding. And the one key thing I say is you have to have patience. There's a lot of great builders in Austin. If you want to figure out if building a home is right for you, feel free to reach out. Let's schedule a call and we'll take it from there.